friends, today I am going to show you how to download and install SADP tools, Hikvision SADP tools for configuration IP devices. Okay, first of all go Google and search SADP tools, so we can get a download link. Just click SADP and download. Waiting for the downloading. After download, and extract that file. That file is coming from a zip file. Just extract the file. Then OK. Now you get the SADP executive file. Double click, and after that wait, just click that one, and next select language. I select language English. Next, it's OK. Waiting for the installation. Now installation completed. Let's click launch. This is the software. We can configure all Hikvision and VR cameras, change IP address, everything will be here. I will show you next video and the configuration, change IP address and with the SADP tools. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.